Hello everybody, David Lewis here. And last week we had a corporate retreat with all of our fixed ops trainers. We do this periodically to review concepts and policies, procedures, but especially to listen to new ideas and hear some success stories. And I heard a success story that really opened my eyes. And it was a service advisor that last year had actually made a little over $15,000 in commissions just selling cabin air filters. And he did was very simple. What he did was he got 5 cabin air filters and he labeled them. One with 24,000 miles on it, 36,000 miles, 48,000, 60,000, and 72,000 miles on it. And each time a customer would come in, he would show them a cabin air filter that was close to their mileage. So if someone came in with 50,000 miles on it, he would pull out the cabin air filter that was labeled 48,000 and tell them that their cabin air filter probably looked like this and that they were breathing in that dirty air, and then ask them would they like to replace the cabin air filter. Now, I learned that almost half the people said yes, they would like to have that cabin air filter replaced, which meant he was selling 4, 5, 6 cabin air filters a day. Now, you do the math. The commissions on those add up over time. And in his situation, it was a little bit over $15,000 in commission. So, my thought is this, is why would you not offer every single person that qualifies a cabin air filter? Everyone that has, let's say, over 24,000 miles on it, a new cabin air filter. Give it a try. I think you'll be very, very pleased with the results and what it will add to your commissions.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.